The question is, as you have seen in the title, how to say I love you in Arabic. If you're talking to a male, you say أحبك. Ka. أحبك. Okay? There is fatha on al-kaf. أحبك. أحبك كثيرا. I love you so much. أحبك كثيرا. But if you're talking to a female, you don't say أحبك, you say أحبك. أحبك أنت, you. أحبك. Okay? I love you. There is kasra under al-kaf. أحبك كثيرا. I love you so much. I love you so much. أحبك كثيرا. But if you're talking to a group of people, you say أحبكم. أحبكم. If you're talking to two persons, you say أحبكما. I love you. أحبكما. If you're talking to a group of women, you say أحبكن. أحبكن كثيرا. If you're talking about a person, he, you say أحبه. I love him. Female, you say I love her. أحبها. أحبها. أحبه. أحبها. If you are talking about a group of people, you say أحبهم. أحترمهم. I respect them. If you are talking about a group of females, you say أحبهن. I love them. Females. أحبهن. Those girls or those women or my sisters or whatever. أحبهن. Right? Thanks for your beautiful comments and your encouragement, and see you later.